Hello my dear friends, welcome to all of you on my channel The Fight Yourself. Neuralink's first chip implant in a human being's skull hit a major setback as the device began to detach from the patient's brain, the company revealed. Nolan Arbaugh, the patient, underwent surgery in February to attach a Neuralink chip to his brain. The device's functionality decreased within the month after the implant as device's threads that connected the miniature computer to the brain begun to retract. What caused the snag in Neuralink brain implant? The patient underwent surgery in February to attach a Neuralink chip to his brain. Neuralink has not shared why the device partly retracted from Nolan Arbaugh's brain. The company said that its engineers refined the implant and restored functionality for the patient. Wall Street Journal reported that decreased capabilities did not appear to endanger Nolan Arbaugh, as he will still able to play a game of chess on a computer using his thoughts. Will the brain implant be removed? The experts did consider the possibility of removing the implant after the detachment came to light, the Wall Street Journal reported. What has Nolan Arbaugh said on the brain chip? Nolan Arbaugh earlier praised the implant during a demonstration in March and said that it had already changed his life. Although the process had not been perfect and they have run into some issues, he said. Is Neuralink already under scanner? Yes. Before the company conducted its first human implant, it extensively experimented for years on animals including sheep, pigs and monkeys, after which regulators launched investigations into the company's practices at those animal testing labs. Authorities said earlier this year that they found quality control and record-keeping problems at one California research facility of the company.